It's Sunday setup time. And to think I was on a beautiful beach just a few days ago, but now it's back to reality. I have a lot to do today. I have their hair to do. I've got to unpack their clothes. I have to meal plan. I have to cook, and we have to grocery shop. We have no groceries, absolutely no groceries in the house because we were gone. If this is your first time watching me, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Gia. I'm a working mom who likes to educate and motivate at the same time. I would love for you to join my YouTube family by clicking the subscribe button down below, as well as the little bell next to it. And for those already subscribed, welcome back. So if this is your first time watching one of my Sunday setup videos, this is just me showing what I do, sort of like a vlog style, what I do to prepare myself and my family for the up and coming work and school week. You can download my free Sunday setup checklist down in the description box down below, where it lists out what I do every week, and then there's room for you to make your own list so that you can laminate it and put it on the fridge, or just put it in your planner or something like that for your oown family. We have a lot to do because it's just been a crazy week. We're just getting back from vacation, Charles and I. If you missed our whole, like, first of all, I Instagram storied the whole trip. You can follow me on Instagram and watch it. It's one of my highlighted stories called Mexico, but I also did vlog. And I don't know if that video is going to be up by the time this video is up. If it is, I will insert a card right here. If not, it'll be up on my channel soon. So yeah, right now I'm trying to pick out their clothes. The weather here in Georgia has just been a crazy mess. Before we left for Mexico, it was like kind of cold, so I haven't put all of their winter stuff away yet. I haven't like really gone really heavy shopping for their spring summer stuff just yet, because like I said, the weather's been all over the place. So now it's hot. It's gonna be hot all week, actually, this up and coming week. So I'm trying to find stuff for them to wear. But first, I've got to unpack this. These are their bags that they stayed when they stayed at my mom's. My husband and I unpacked all of our stuff yesterday, and I did a bunch of laundry, so that's great. And now I'm just gonna finish picking out their clothes. All right, so the clothes are now all picked out. And Zara, can you make your bed up for me, please? Thank you. And now I'm gonna put it in their organizer. I don't know if I should start their hair now or do my meal plan. What should I do? What do you guys do first? You guys, like, everything's hard, so I always like to do the hardest thing first, but like, to me, everything is time consuming that I have to do on Sundays. Their hair is very time consuming. Making a meal plan can be time consuming. Cooking is time consuming. Picking out the clothes and stuff isn't as time consuming. I mean, it was time consuming today because it's like I have to find some short sleeve stuff for them to wear, but I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. Okay, all done. I have their Monday's outfits in the bag because my dad comes and picks them up in the morning. So I have their bag all ready to go and set for that. Now, I think I'll make breakfast for us. Oh boy, just got back from Mexico and we bought this bag, and I feel like I need a little bit of this morning. I'm just kidding. Oh, but it is extra. Made some turkey bacon, making some waffles, so we are good to go. Look what hubby did this morning. It's the little things that just get me going, that get my juices flowing. I love this. Oh, honey, you know how to make my heart sing. All right, I just finished doing the dishes. This is empty. The girls are cleaning up the mess they made in the living room. Now I'm gonna start their hair. Oh, I gotta make this store list. My husband's going to the store. We'll see how that goes. But I'm going to make the store list for him. Nothing, honey. You're an awesome shopper, Red. I'm going to make the store list for him and start on their hair. So it's going pretty good. It's the time check. It's now 11:39. All right, guys, here's my meal plan for the week. We're doing all veggies tonight because we just need to detox, and a lot of times I'll do this, and sometimes they will eat all of it and sometimes they'll eat pieces of it, but this is going to be their only option for dinner. So if they want to go to bed hungry, they can, but usually they'll eat the baked sweet potato. Ava will eat the sorry, my husband makes them scream and tickles them and stuff, and it just drives me crazy. Anyway, they'll eat hopefully eat the carrots and the sauteed spinach. I don't know, we'll see. So that's what we're gonna have tonight. And then Monday we're gonna have pulled barbecue chicken. I'm gonna make it in the slow cooker with corn and broccoli. Tuesday we eat at my mom's for Bible study. Wednesday we're gonna have shrimp scampi with zucchini noodles. Now the girls will just eat regular plain. I'll saute the shrimp for them in like some butter and seasoning. And they will eat the zucchini noodles, but then Charles and I will just have like extra scampi sauce and stuff with our zucchini noodles. And then Thursdays we eat at my mom's, and then Friday it's like so far away I can't even think about it. But Fridays I'm usually off and I don't cook anything. So that's what I'm going with for this week. So now I'm gonna make my store list for my husband. Okay guys, here's my list. I have to like write little notes to my husband because if I tell him before he goes, he just won't remember. Does anybody else have to do that? Leave a comment down below and let me know when you send your husband to the store. But I'm gonna get some lunch meat and cheese, the carrots. I have the Brussels sprouts already, the spinach, strawberries, grapes, pineapples. That's for the girls for their lunches. Some corn on the cob, and if they don't have that, then he can get canned corn. 3 large zucchinis, rolls. I have to put rolls for the barbecue chicken sandwiches, so I just put rolls. He'll probably just get Hawaiian rolls or something like that. And then some pepperoni for the girls. The he knows to get the nitrate free one. I'm trying to think because like I don't have a plan for my lunches for work. I'll probably just take salads every day and like leftovers from whatever we eat to lunch, but we'll see. Hopefully we'll have enough leftovers tonight. This is his list, and now I'm gonna go up and start the girls' hair. I'm doing really good at the laundry. I washed these sheets last night, so I'm gonna fold those. These are all clean. And then those are the clothes from our trip. I washed and dried those last night, so I'm gonna make sure to fold and put those away, because I've noticed with my laundry routine, if I start the week off with nothing in the dryer, like it's just, I folded everything and put everything away, it prompts me to do better at my laundry routine. And I still use the same routine. It works really well for us when I actually do it. You can tap this eye right here to watch it, but I essentially do like a load a day, and it just helps me stay on top of everything. So I'm gonna make sure that I fold and put those away today. Hair time. I'm gonna take this down, and I'll probably just do little ponytails this week. All right, we're taking a little break. If y'all knew how much hair Ava had, I mean, it's just, okay, she's showing you. Honey, put your clips back in, baby. It's a lot of hair. It takes a long time just to take the braids out itself. Anyway, it's 2 o'clock. It's been 2 hours. Plus, she has to take a lot of breaks and stuff. So we're gonna take a lunch break right now, go down and eat lunch. And hopefully I'll be done by 4. All done, baby. Let me see. Turn around. Very, very cute, mama.
Can I look in the mirror?
Of course you can. Time check, it's 3:22. I'm not sure what I could do with Zara's hair in 30 minutes, and I gotta clean this mess up. Zara's turned. Charles actually took half of the braids, more than half the braids out, because it is, let's see what time it is. 3:51 right now, and I'm just taking the last one out right here so I can get something done. And Zara is all done. Turn around, baby. Oh, you look beautiful, honey. You look beautiful. You want to show your fan? Oh, you look like a que bonita señorita. All right, here's my sweet potatoes. I'm gonna put these in the oven. I was supposed to put them in at 4, but you know, it took me so long to finish their hair, so I'm gonna wash these. My husband was just looking. Why are you looking so crazy at them, babe? They're organic. That's how, these are organic. That's why they look like this. They're not bruised. They don't have any eyes on them or anything. They're just organic, straight out of the ground, babe. You're used to seeing store-bought stuff that looks polished and things. Hey, stop screaming. Oh gosh, y'all, I just got back from vacation. I swear I already need another one. Anyway, I'm gonna wash these, get them in the oven so we can get these. I wanna at least eat by 6:30. Just gonna rub these with some olive oil, like I said, wrap them in foil and pop them in the oven at 425. Okay, while the sweet potatoes are in the oven, I'm gonna fold these 2 loads of laundry. Then I will head down and prep the rest of the veggies for dinner tonight. I'm gonna take a 20-second time because the girls are so loud. I'm gonna put my headphones on and watch a YouTube video so I can just relax for a second. All right, so I got my carrots all chopped up and my Brussels sprouts cleaned and chopped. All I do for the carrots is I drizzle a little bit of olive oil on the carrots, And then I'm gonna drizzle it with honey. And then for my Brussels sprouts, I use a little marinade. I cook them in a marinade with balsamic vinegar, a little bit of sweetener. You can use sugar if you don't have it, but I like to use stevia, just a touch of stevia, some red pepper flakes, depending on if you like it spicy or not, salt and pepper and garlic, and they come out delicious. I'll show you though when I'm all done. All right, guys, so here's my balsamic vinegar. I used the last of it, and this balsamic vinegar is so good. Costco brand. Very, very good. I added a little bit of white wine vinegar, the balsamic vinegar, olive oil, crushed red pepper flakes, a touch of salt. You don't need a lot. You really don't even need any salt at all. And this is the sweetener that I use, Sweet Drops. And I did add maybe a half teaspoon of honey or so, but just, you know, mix it up and taste it, you know, as you mix it, and then add whatever you know your liking is. And when it's perfect, that's when you want to add it to the Brussels sprouts, because it gives such a great flavor to the vegetable. Okay, here's how it looks with all of the sauce on there. Now I'm just gonna pour this on a sheet pan. Well, I just asked the girls if they're gonna eat the vegetables that I'm making. They pretty much said heck no, in a kid way. Well, they did say that they will eat the sweet potato and the carrots, but the Brussels sprouts and the spinach is a no-go. So I thought Ava will eat them. When she sees them, she'll eat them. So what I'm gonna do for them is make them corn dogs. These frozen corn dogs come in handy. I just pop them in the oven. I'm gonna make them corn dogs and give them some sweet potatoes and some carrots, and it's a win-win for us all. So I'm gonna pop these in the oven now. Okay, last vegetable I'll be making is my sauteed spinach. I use simple recipe. I use Ina's recipe from the Food Network. It's just basically put a little bit of water, like maybe a teaspoon of water in there. Salt, pepper, you know, season it to your liking, and then put the top on, and then at the end just add some melted butter, and it comes out delicious. Okay, my spinach is on, so what I'm gonna do now is just put a top. Well, let me get my top. I got the top on here, so I'm just gonna let this cook down. I cooked the whole thing because spinach cooks down so low, but it's so good with the melted butter and everything. Try a Brussels sprout.
Done.
It is done, baby, but it's hot.
No, but that is done. Can you eat it for me?
It's hot, baby. Wait. Is it too hot? It's yummy, huh? Okay, good. Here is our meal all finished. This is hubby's plate. I'm going to make mine similar, except for I like to eat the potato skins, and he likes brown sugar on his sweet potato, whereas I don't. I just like butter on it. But it looks so vibrant, and doesn't it look like it's just going to give you so much energy? So Ava loves the Brussels sprout. She's actually on her second helping, and the girls are eating their sweet potatoes. And where's your corn dog?
Right here.
Oh, your sweet potatoes and the carrots. Make sure you eat your sweet potatoes, girls, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm running the bath water for the girls, and while the girls are taking a bath, I'm gonna hop in the shower. All right, we just finished our devotionals. I forgot my camera, so now we're gonna have family prayer time and get to bed. All right, y'all. Girls are in the bed. I've been showered, and now I just wanna lay in the bed and do absolutely nothing. Watch a little bit of YouTube, Instagram, maybe watch a TV show, and then hit the sack. It's time to, you know, hit the ground running in the morning. So thank you guys so much for joining with me today. If you haven't downloaded my free Sunday setup checklist, click in the description box down below so that you can create your own Sunday setup checklist for you and your family. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, you can tap my picture up above, and you can also check out my previous video right over here, and all of my social media platforms all listed down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, and happy Mother's Day, because I'll be posting this on Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Many blessings to you and your family. Bye.